ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. In this series of reading out Adhyatma Ramayana, when we left in the last week reading, we were at the end of 6th Sarga of Yuddhakanda of Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana. So at that stage, the narration we are at is Ravana approaching Kalanemi. Kalanemi is a Rakshasa for distracting Hanuman from going and bringing the Sanjeevani. So Kalanemi given a counsel, good counsel to Ravana, saying that and concluded Bhajasva Ramam Paripurnamekam Vihaya Vairam Nijabhakti Yuktaha Hruda Sada Bhavita Bhavarupaha Anama Rupam Purusham Puranam. So we stopped reading the scripture there. The Sankalpa for today is to continue from there 7th, 8th and 9th Sargas of Srimad Yuddhakanda of Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana. So 7th Sarga deals with Kalanemi Vadha and bringing Lakshmana back to life and bringing Kumbhakarna out of sleep. These are the topics. Then on the 8th Sarga is Kumbhakarna Vadha and 9th Sarga is Meghanatha Vadha. So that is the today's intention to start with. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. So Mahadeva continuing his narration. Kalanemi Vachasrutva. So having heard the Kalanemi's counsel, Ravano Mrutasannibham, Ravano Mrutasannibham. Those vachanas are like Amruta, nectar. Jejvalya Krodhatam Raksha Sarpidarbhi Rivagnimat. So it gives a wonderful simile saying that Sarpidarbhi Rivagnimat, like a fire fell in the ghee. It burns, so Jajvala Krodhatam Raksha, so like a burning like Krodha, anger. Nihanmitvam Duratmanam Machasana Paranmukham Paraihi Kinchit Gruhitvatvam Bhashase Ramakinkaraha. Talking like a Kinkaraha, servant of Rama. Have you taken some money from Rama? You are the Duratma, your Atma, you have turned bad and you are Machasana Paranmukham, you are going away from my Sasana, my rule. Nihanmitvam Kalanemiruachedam Ravana Devakim Krudha. O Deva, O Ravana, why are you unnecessarily getting angry with me? Narochate me vachanam yadigatva karomi tat. If you don't like my whatever I have said, I will do whatever you are asking me to do. Yutyuktva prayayau sighram Kalanenir mahasuraha nodito ravane naiva hanumad vighnakaranat. Then he left there immediately to create Vighna to Hanuman. Sagatva himat parsam tapovana makalpayat tatra sishyehi parivruto muniveshadharha khalaha. So he became a Muni. He created a Muni ashrama with his magic. So he has kept some of his Sishyas around him, sat there. Sagatva himat parsam gacchato margamasadya vayusunor mahatmanaha tato gatva dadarsadha Hanumana ashramam shubham. So this Hanuman, as he going, he started, he looked at this ashramam. Looks very auspicious, wonderful ashrama of the Kalanemi, Rakshasas ashrama, who is sitting like a Muni. Chintayamasa Manasa, Sriman Pavananandanaha, Purana Drushtame Tanme, Munimandala Muttamam. I have not seen this Munimandala Pura previously, never I have seen this. What is this? Marga Vibramsito Vame, have I gone out of my way? Brahmova Chittasambhavaha. So I am in some kind of Brahma, some kind of delusion which is caused by my own mind. Yadva Vishwasrama Padam Drushtva Muni Visheshataha. Let me see. So he entered the Asrama Padam. Petva Jalam Tato Yami Dronachala Manuttamam Yutyuktva Pravivesatha Sarvato Yojanayatam. So he thought, okay, let me see what is here, let me drink. I am feeling thirsty, so let me drink some water here and then go to Dronachalam and get that herb which need to be taken. Asramam Kadalisala Kharjura Panasadhibhihi Samavrutam Pakvapalair Namra Sakhaischa Padapai. So this ashrama is filled with several great looking fruit trees, Kadali, banana and Kharjura, Panasa and different types of fruits. Vairabhava Vinirmuktam Suddham Nirmala Lakshanam Tasmin Mahasrame Ramye Kalane Misarakshasah Indrayogam Samasthaya Chakara Sivapujanam Hanumanabhi Vadahya Gauravena Mahasuram. So Hanuman went into seeing the Kalanemi Mahasura, great Rakshasa, but sitting like Indra, doing the Siva Puja there. Bhagavan Ramadhutoham Hanuman Namanamataha, he is addressing Rakshasa Kalanemi. Bhagavan, great sage. Ramadutoham, I am the Dota of Rama. Hanuman Namanamataha, Ramakaryena Mahata, Kshirabdhim Gantumadyataha. So I am going to the Kshirabdhim. Trushamam Bahate Brahman Nodakam Putra Vidyate. So I am feeling thirst. So thirst is making me Badhate, is causing problem to me. So where is the Brahman Nodakam Putra Vidyate Dehecham Patumichami Kathyatam Me Munishwara. A great sage, I wanted to know where water is there for me to drink. Tatruchvam Arutervakyam Kalanemis Tadabravit Kamandalugatam Toyam Mamatvam Patumarhasi. So in my Kamandala water is there, you can drink. Bhungshva Chayamani Bhakwani Phalani Tadanantaram. Drink water, eat all the fruits which are here. Vyavasasva Sukhenatra Nivasasva Sukhenatra Nidrame Hitvarastuma. So you can stay here, Nivasastu, you can be here. You have sleep for some time. Bhutam Bhavyam Bhavishyancha Janami Tapasaswayam. I know past, I know present, I know future. By my tapas, I know everything. Uthito Lakshmana Sarve Vanara Ramavikshita. So you wanted to bring up Lakshmana. So Tachrutva Hanumanaha Kamandalu Jalename Nasamyatyadhika Trushna Tato Dadarsya Me Jalam. So Hanuman said, I am feeling highly, very thirsty. So this Kamandalu Jalam, whatever is in your Kamandala, in your water bottle is not sufficient for me. So show me a big water, much larger water, so that I can drink. Tadhetyajnapayamasa Vatum Maya Vikalpitam. He calls a Vatu, who is also a Maya Vikalpitam, who is also a magical boy. Vatu as a Sishya. Vikalpitam. Vato Darsaya Vistirnam Vayusunor Jalasayam. So take this Vayusuna, son of wind god, to there a water Jalasayam, where the Jalasayam is there, where our water pond is there. Take him there. Nimelya Chakshani Toyam Petvagacha Mamantikam Upadekshami Te Mantram Yena Drakshasi Choshadi. So you are going to find out the oshadhis. So you come back to me after drinking the water. I will give you a mantra which can identify the oshadhis. So you tadheti darsitam srighram odhuna salilalayam pravisya hanuman stoyamapi piban milinekshanaha. So then Hanuman said, went with the Vatu, he went into the water, closed eyes, he started drinking water. Tataschagascha makari mahamaya mahakapim agrasattam mahavegan marutim ghorarupini. There came a crocodile, makari, mahamaya. So he is closing his eyes and drinking this water, Hanuman. And this makari came and started holding him. Tato dadarsa Hanuman grasantim makarim rusha. Then Hanuman opened his eyes, looked at this makari with anger, rusha. Dharayamasa hastabhyam vadanam sa mamaraha. With one hit, he killed the makari. Tatantariksha drudsate divya rupa dharangana Dhanyamaliti vikhyata Hanumanta mathabravit. Then immediately that Makari's life force appeared as a wonderful woman, Divya Rupa Dharangana, with a great Rupa, Angana, a woman, a girl. Dhanyamali iti vikhyata, my name is Dhanyamali iti vikhyata Hanumanta mathabravit. Tat prasada hadaham syapat Vimuktasmi Kapishwara Saptaham Munina Purvam Apsara Karanantare. I am an Apsara. By the Karanantaras, no need to tell why what. One Muni has given a Shapa to me. Asrame Yustume Drushtha Kalanemir Mahasuraha. So Hanuman, in the ashrama who you have seen is the great Asura known as Kalanemi. Ravana Prahito Marge Vignam Kartrum Tavanagha. So he came here to abstract you from achieving your activity. Munivesha dharo nasau munir vepras himsakaha. He is not a muni. He harmed several vipras. Vipra himsakaha. Jahidrashtum gachhaseghram dronachala manuttamam. So you go to the Dronachala immediately. Gachamyaham brahmalokam tat sarvad dhatta kalmashaha ityuktasa yayau swargam hanumanapyathasramam. So having said this, Apsara, I am going to Brahmalokam, she went. Agatam tam samalokya kalanemira bhashataha kim vilambena mahata tava vanarasattama. So Hanuman, having known this, the message he has got from Apsara, and he went back. Agatam tam samalokya kalanemira bhashata. Kalanemi started telling, Kim vilambena mahata, why are you delayed? Why are you delaying? Tava vanarasattama gruhanamatto mantrastvam. Take mantra from me. Dehime guru dakshinam. Give me guru dakshina. Ityukto Hanuman mushtim drodhambadvas harakshasam. So having said this, Hanuman put his fist strongly and hit the Rakshasa. Grahana dakshina meta. This is dakshina. You take this dakshina. Ityuktva nijaghanatam visrujya munivesham sa kalanemir mahasuraha. So with one hit, Kalanemi left his munivesham, the deluded shape of Muni, and he became Yudhyudhe Vayuputrena Nanamaya Vidhanataha. Then with all Mayas, with all his capabilities of Maya, he started fighting with Yuyudhe Vayuputrena. With Vayuputra, he started fighting. Mahamayika Duto Asau Hanuman Mayinam Ripuhu. So with Maya, he is Mayinam Ripuhu. He is fighting with Mayas to one who is an enemy of Maya. So Mayinam Ripuhu. So this Yuddha, Jaghana Mushtina Kirtihi, then they fought Adrushta Chautasit Gatva Girimut Pattasatvaraha Gruhitva Vayuvegana Gatva Ramasya Sannidhim. So having killed Kalanemi, then Hanuman went Srutva, then he uvacha Hanuman Rama Manitoyam Mahagirihi. So he has no way to identify the Oshadhi. He went, picked up the whole of the mountain, come back, and he said, Sutva Hanumato Vakyam, uvacha Hanuman Rama Manitoyam Mahagirihi. Yadyuktam Kurudevesa Vilambo Natra Yujjate. So now no more time should be wasted. I couldn't figure out. I have got it here. So you Srutva Hanumato Vakyam Rama Santushta Manasah Gruhitva Chaushadhi Segram Sushenena Mahamatihi. Rama now asked Sushena, who is the physician there, Vanara's physician, Sushena. Mahamatihi, great Mati. Chikitsam Karayamasa Lakshmanaya Mahatmane Tata Suptothita Iva Badva Provacha Lakshmanaha. So Sushena, taking the right medicinal thing, he has done the chikitsa. It is not that just medicinal plant, it will, how it has to be applied. He has applied that chikitsa process of treatment, and Tishta Kvagantasi. So Lakshmana woke up, and waking up he started saying Tishta Kadantasi Hanminadim Dasananaha Iti Brvantamalokya Murdhin Raghava. So as he came up into this thing, he is still in his memory is lost, or he is still in the memory of he is fighting with Dasanana. Then he is saying, wait, Dasanana, I will kill you. Like that he started going there. So, but Dasanana is not there. Marutim prahavatpadya tvat prasadan mahakape niramayam pravasyami lakshmanam bhrataram mama. So Rama looking at Maruti, Vatsa, by your grace today, I have my brother. You have saved my brother. Ityuktva Vanarais Sugrivena Samanvitaha Vibhishana Matenaiva Yudhaya Samapasthitaha. So everybody, Vibhishana, everybody started again prepared for Yudhaya again. Pashanai Padapaischeva Parvatagraischa Vanara Yudhabhimhuka Bhutva Yuyuh Sarve Yuyutsavaha Ravano Vidyadhe Rama Banair Vidho Mahasuraha Matangaihi Simhena Garudasena Pannagaha. So then the fighting again started. Abhibhuto Ganudrama Raghavena Mahatmana Simhasane Samavisya Rakshasana Demibramitve. So then Ravana again sitting in his Simhasana calling Manushenaiva me Mrutyumahapuram Pitamaha. So Brahma Pitamaha said, by the man only, by a human alone I will get my Mrutyu. Nasam Sayaha. Ramo Dasaradhir Bhutva Mahamtum Samupastitaha. Mam Hantum Samapastitaha. So this Rama, he has become Narayana. Ramo Dasaradhir Bhutva. This Rama, son of Dasaradhir Bhutva, Mam Hantum Samupastitaha. Anaranyena Yatpurvam Septoham Rakshaseswaraha Utpatsyate Madvamse Paramatma Sanatanaha. So Anaranyunicheta, Anaranyena Yat Purvam Shaptoham have got Sapa saying that in my Vamsha only somebody will come, and Utsajate Madvamser Paramatma Sanatanaha Tenatvam Putra Pautraischa Bandhavaischa Samanvitaha Hanishyase Nasandehaha Ityuktva Mam Divangataha. So he has given that Sapa. Sa eva Ramas Sanjato Madardhe Mam Hanishyati Kumbhakarnastu Mudhatma Sada Nidravasam Gataha. So my brother is there, this Kumbhakarna is a Mudhatma, always sleeping fellow. He is always sleeping. Tam Vibhodhya Mahasatva Manayantu Mamantikam Yutyuktvaste Mahakaya Stornam Gatvatu Yatnataha. So that Mahakaya, who is of great body, he sleeps always, bring him here. Vibhodhya Kumbhasravanam Ninyu Ravana Sanidham Namaskrutya Sarajan Manasopari Samstitaha Asanopari Samstitaha. Then they went, brought him there. So there is a big process of waking up Kumbhakarna. They have done all that and they have brought him down here. Tamavha Ravano Raja Bhrataram Dinayagira Kumbhakarna Nibodhatvam Mahat Kashtam Upastitam. Oh Kumbhakarna, I am in the great danger now. Brother is telling, brother comes and puts one namaskara again, Maryada. whole process is followed. Ramena nihata sura putra pautrascha bandhava kim kartavyam idanim me mrutyukala upastite. So my sons, my grandsons, all these people have been killed by Rama now. I am sitting with remaining people here. Kim kartavyam, what I should do? Upasthite. Esha dasaradhi Rama Sugriva sahito bali samudram sabalastirtva moolam parikruntati. Ye rakshasa mukhyamatasте hata vanarair yudhihi vanaranam chayam yudhe na pasyami kadachana. So I am not able to kill these vanaras. నాశయస్వ మహాబాహో యయుద్ధం పరిబోధితః భ్రాతురర్ధే మహాసత్వః కురుకర్మ సుదుష్కరం. సో మై బ్రదర్, నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు గో అండ్ కిల్ ఆల్ ద వానరాస్. శ్రుత్వా తద్రావణేంద్రస్య వచనం పరిదేవితం కుంభకర్ణో జహాసోశ్చైర్వచనం చేదమబ్రవీత్. So again Kumbhakarna started saying, Pura mantra vicharetu. Before you have called for strategy meeting, mantra vicharetu. Gajitam yan mayan rupa. I have told you this. This is what will happen. Tadadya tvamupagatam phalam papasya karmanaha. You are doing papa karma, you will get this papa phalam. I have told you. Purvameva maya prokto Ramo Narayana Praha. I have told Rama is Sakshat Narayana. సీతాచ యోగమాయేతి బోధితోపి న బుధ్యసే. ఐ హ్యావ్ టోల్డ్ యూ, యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ లిసన్డ్ టు మీ. ఏకదాహం వనేనాసౌ విశాలాయాం స్థితో నిశి దృష్టో మయా ముని సాక్షాత్ నారదో దివ్యదర్శన. వన్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ సిట్టింగ్ ఎలోన్, ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ వన అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ నారద కమింగ్ దేర్. తమబ్రవం మహాభాగా కుతో గతాసి మే వదః ఇత్యుక్తో నారద ప్రావః దేవానాం మంత్రణే స్థితః. ఆల్ దేవాస్ హ్యావ్ గాన్ టు in the strategy meeting again, devas have it. Tatrotpanna mudantamte vakshyami shrunutatvataha yuvabhyam pidita devaha. By you the devas are being piditaha, they have been pressured, they have been troubled by you. Sarve vishnu mupagata uchuste devadevesam stutva bhaktya samahita jehi ravana makshobhyam deva trailokya kantakam. మానుషేణ మృతిస్తస్య కల్పిత బ్రహ్మణాపుర అతస్త్వం మానుషో భూత్వా జహి రావణ కంటకం. రావణ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ ఎ థ్రోన్ కంటకం. హీ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ ఎ ట్రబుల్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి. సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? బ్రహ్మ హ్యాస్ ఓన్లీ కాజ్డ్ డెత్ విత్ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఓన్లీ. తథేథ మహావిష్ణు సత్యసంకల్ప ఈశ్వర జాతో రఘుకులే దేవో రామ ఇత్యుభివిశ్రుత స హనిష్యతి వహ సర్వాన్ వినుముక్త ప్రయయో ముని అతో జానేయో హి రామత్వం పరం బ్రహ్మ సనాతనం. సో నారద టోల్డ్ మీ దిస్. హీ హస్ వెన్ దే హ్యావ్ గాన్ అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ డిసైడెడ్ దిస్ అండ్ రామ విల్ బి బార్న్ హియర్. త్వం వైరం భజస్యాద్య మాయామానుష విగ్రహం భజతో భక్తిభావేన ప్రసీదతి రఘుత్తమ. సో యూ రిమూవ్ యువర్ దిస్ ఎనిమిటీ విత్ హిమ్ అండ్ యూ బికమ్ ఎ భక్త టు హిమ్. భక్తిర్ జనిత్రీ జ్ఞానస్య భక్తిర్ మోక్షప్రదాయిని. దిస్ Kumbhakarna's vakya of this sloka, probably one of the wonderful statement about the bhakti. Bhaktir janitri jnanasya. Bhakti is the mother of jnana. Bhaktir mokshapradayini. Bhakti gives moksha, eternal peace. Bhakti hinena yatkinchit krutam sarvama asatsamam. Without bhakti, whatever you do, it is asat samam. It is equivalent of not being done itself. Asat samam. Avataraha subhavusoho Vishnor leelanukarinaha. There are several avatars. Vishnu has taken several forms. Leela for running the show. It is a show for the show. Tesham sahasra sadruso Ramo jnanamaya sivaha. Rama is Jnanamaya, Sivaha, auspicious. Siva, who is filled with Jnana. Ramam bhajanti nipuna manasa vachasanisam. Ramam bhajanti. Rama, you do the bhajana. Manasa, by the mind. Vachasa, by walk. Anisham, always. Anayasena samsaram tirtvayanti harepadam. Without any ayasa, without any difficulty, anayasena samsaram tirtva, crossing over samsara, yanti hareh padam. ఏ రామమేవ సతతం భువి శుద్ధ సత్వాత్ ధ్యాయంతి తస్య చరితాని పఠంతి సంతః ముక్తాస్తయేవ భవ భోగ మహాహి పాశైః సీతాపతేః పదమనంత సుఖం ప్రయాంతి. సో కుంభకర్ణ కంక్లూడ్స్ హిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఏ మానవేవ సతతం భువి శుద్ధ సత్వాత్ ధ్యాయంతి తస్య చరితాని పఠంతి సంతః ధ్యాయంతి పఠంతి ముక్తాస్తయేవ భవభోగ మహాహి పాశైః సీతాపతే పదమనంత సుఖం ప్రయాంతి. సో సీతాపతే పదం అనంత ప్రయాంతి. సో పీపుల్ విల్ గో దేర్. విత్ దిస్ we have come to the end of 7th sarga. So we'll get into the 8th sarga quickly. So again Mahadeva started saying Kumbhakarna vachastrutva bhrukuti vikatananaha. So he has put his face bhrukuti vikatananaha dasagrivo jagadedat manasad patanniva. So as if he has is fallen like utpatanniva, so fallen like, then he got up. Tvamanito name jnana bodhanaya subuddhiman. I have called you not to get teaching from you. Maya krutam samikrutya yudhyasva yadirochate. So what I am saying is go and fight. Okay, if you don't want, go and sleep. నోచేద్ గచ్చం సుషుప్తస్త్వం నిద్రాత్వాం బాధతే ధునా రావణస్య వచశ్రుత్వా కుంభకర్ణో మహాబలః. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ కాల్డ్ యూ నాట్ టు గెట్ ఎ టీచింగ్, నాట్ టు గెట్ ఎ ట్రైనింగ్ ఫ్రమ్, నాట్ టు గెట్ ఎ కౌన్సిల్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. ఐ హ్యావ్ గాట్ యూ అప్ టు గో అండ్ ఫైట్. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్, గో అండ్ ఫైట్. అదర్వైజ్ గో అండ్ స్లీప్, విచ్ యూ లైక్ ఇన్ ఎనీ. Then Kumbhakarna gets angry, saying that Kumbhakarna Rushto yamati vijnaya tornam yudhaya niryayo salanghayitva prakaram mahaparvata sannibhaha. Immediately he jumped over the prakara. Salanghayitva prakaram mahaparvata sannibhaha niryayo nagarasturnam bheshayan harizainikan sananada mahanadam samudram abhinadayan. When he made that sound, it like a samudram abhinadayan sound came, like ocean is roaring. Then vanaran kalayamasa bahustvam bhankshayan roshaha. So he started eating vanaras, like bhankshayan rosha kumbhakarnam yada drushtva supakshamiva parvatam. Then he is like Kala. There is a very ferocious war he wages. He starts eating. All vanaras ran away, literally ran. విభీషణోహం భ్రాతుర్మే ద్రయాం కురు మహామతే రావణస్తు. దెన్ కుంభకర్ణం తదా దృష్ట్వా గదాపాణిర్విభీషణ. సో దే చూర్ణయంతం ముద్గరేణ. సో హీ స్టార్టెడ్ కమింగ్ అండ్ కుంభకర్ణ కమ్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ విభీషణ, కమ్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ విభీషణోహం భ్రాతుర్మే దయాం కురు మహామతే. ఐ am your brother, give some daya, means have some compassion towards me. Ravanastu maya bhratah bahudha paribodhitah. Ravana has been taught by me bahudha, different ways I have told. Setam dehiti ramaya ramah sakshat janardanah na srunoti mam hantum khatgamudjitya choktavan. So he didn't listen to me. He took the khatga to kill me. ధిక్త్వాం గచ్చతి మాం హత్వా పతదా పాపిరభావృతః చతుర్భిర్మంత్రిభిः సార్ధం రామం శరణాగతః. ఐ హ్యావ్ కమ్ టు టేక్ రిఫ్యూజ్ ఎట్ రామ. తచ్చుత్వా కుంభకర్ణోపి జ్ఞాత్వా భ్రాతరమాగమత్ సమాలింగ్య చ వత్సత్వం జీవ రామపదాశ్రయాత్. He embraced his brother. Kumbhakarna embraced his brother Vibhishana, said, Jivatvam, you live forever. Padasrayat, Rama, Jivapada, Kula Samrakshanardhaya, for protecting our Kula, Rakshasanam Hitayacha, for the Hita of Rakshasas, Mahabhagavato Sitvam, you are the Mahabhagavata, Asitvam. Puran me Naradachutam, Narada told me this, so you are great Bhagavata. Tat Gachatata. Mamedanim drusyate na chakinchana. Go away from here. డోంట్ బీ ఇన్ మై విజన్ కించన మదీయో వా పరో వాపి మదమత్త విలోచన. సో నౌ ఐ ఆమ్ ఇన్ ద మూడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫైటింగ్. సో ఐ ఆమ్ ఇన్ ద మూడ్ ఆఫ్ కిల్లింగ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. సో గో అవే ఫ్రమ్ మీ. గచ్చతాత మేమేదానీం దృశ్యతే న కించన ఇత్యుక్తో అశ్రుముఖో భ్రాతుర్చరణాభివంద్య సహ. అశ్రుముఖో విత్ టీయర్స్ ఫిల్డ్ ఐస్ విభీషణ చరణాభివందితః బౌడ్ డౌన్ ఎట్ ద ఫీట్ ఆఫ్ కుంభకర్ణ. ఇత్యుక్త భాగచరణామి రామపార్శ్వముపాగత్య చింతాపర ఉపస్థితః. గాన్ టు రామ అండ్ బికేమ్ వెరీ సాడ్. చింతాపర ఉపస్థితః. కుంభకర్ణోపి హస్తాభ్యాం పాదాభ్యాం ప్రేషయన్ హరీన్ చచార వానరీం సేవాం కాలయన్ గంధహస్తివత్. దెన్ విత్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్ he started literally like people put the mosquitoes, we kill mosquitoes, like in the same way he started killing vanaras. Samudgutam dakshahastam tena ghoram sanadaha sasastapatito bhumam ekanartakapin. So then Rama came. చెప్పు. అప్పుడే వచ్చాడా? ఓకే, నేను ఇది చేసేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఓకే, సో ఎయిత్ దాంట్లో వచ్చింది. ఓకే.